Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The price of gold has gained 0.1% in the last session. The Williams indicator is receding and is currently positive. The euro-dollar pair has fallen 0.2% in the last session. Stochastic has moved sharply into negative territory. The sterling-dollar pair has fallen 0.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator has moved sharply into negative territory. The Aussie-dollar pair has lost 0.2% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator has bounced upwards into positive territory.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
World stock markets were little changed, and benchmark U.S. bond yields slipped from 13-month highs as investors look to the U.S. Central Bank's meeting later in the week. XRP token holders have attempted to intervene in the SEC's ongoing lawsuit against Ripple Labs, arguing that their investment should be viewed as separate from any coins sold by Ripple executives. Rakuten Inc. shares recorded their biggest gain in 18 years after investors bet big on a $2.2 billion stake sale and deepening collaboration with partners like Tencent Holdings Limited and Japan Post Holdings Company.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The U.S. industrial production will be released at 13:15 GMT, Australia's Westpac leading index at 23:30 GMT, the U.S. retail sales at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's ECOFIN meeting will be released at 700 GMT, the Eurozone's U-Survey economic sentiment at 1000 GMT, Japan's merchandise trade balance total at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.